everyone. This is your Auntie T. Chemistry made easy with your Auntie T. Today again we have another simple calculation in chemistry that you do ask question on in WAEC and NECO, that is West Africa Examination Council and the National Examination Council of Nigeria, which you need to know. And the question is, the topic is relative molecular mass. The short form is RMN. Kindly take your writing material and let's learn together. Good. Thank God we have looked at elements, compound, and mixture. And we know the meaning of constituent elements. We know the meaning of compound. That's wonderful. So let's see. How do you ask a question on this topic? You'll be asked to calculate the relative molecular mass of a compound. Let's see. Calculate the relative molecular mass of limestone. Good. Now the question comes in, what's the meaning of limestone? Limestone is a chemical formula, it's a compound. It is CaCO3. Good, so we need to call it CaCO3. And let me tell you the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name here is calcium triazole 4. So now you have to calculate the relative molecular mass of this compound. You'll be given the word of the compound. You'll be given the compound in the brackets. Now, you need to know, look at this element here. What are the component elements in this compound? The first one is calcium, the second one is carbon, and the third one is what? Oxygen. Good. Then you'll be given relative atomic mass of each element. Let's say, then your calcium is 40, carbon 12, then oxygen is what? 16. Good. You're given calcium to be 40, carbon to be 12, while you have the oxygen to be what? 16. Now, another question. How do they arrive at this number, these atomic masses of each element? Is by the use of one instrument. We call that instrument mass spectrometer. So that tells them the actual amount of each, but though you'll be given your question. What you need to do is just solve your calculation. Very, very simple calculation in chemistry. Good. Solution. You just come here. You have CaCO3. Good. Now, how many calcium do you have here? 1. So that's what? 1 multiplied by 40 plus. How many carbon do we have here? Carbon is only 1. 1 multiplied by what? 12 plus. How many oxygen do we have here? You can see this 3. This 3 here, you still remember? It's written as what? As a subscript. So just use the 3 to multiply the atomic mass given to you. That will be 3 multiplied by 16. Good. I hope you are following. Thank you. So we now have 1 multiplied by 40 is what? That will be 40. Plus what? Plus 12. Plus what? 3 multiplied by 16 is what? I'm to 48. We have 48. Now we are going to sum the 3 together. So what do we have? This is 40 plus 12 is what? 52. 52 plus what? Plus 48 is what? 100. So our answer is what? 100. I hope it's very clear. Wonderful. Let's look at another example. Mind you, relative molecular mass doesn't have any units. You have to calculate RMN. No units for RMN. It's only when you are asked to calculate the molar mass. That one has a unit. The molar mass has the units. They use the same method to calculate them. But let's look at another example. Number 2, example 2. Let's call it example 2. Example 2. Let's start with example 1. Example 1. Good. Example 2. We have to calculate the relative molecular mass of tetra of, that is sodium triosocarbonate 4. That is Na2CO3. Good. So you have calculated molecular mass of sodium triosocarbonate 4. And you're given the chemical formula to be Na2CO3. Good. Now your Na is what? You're given the relative atomic mass. Na, you're given 23. Your C is 12, while your O is 16. It will surely be given. So no cause for alarm. It will surely be given. So the same method, the same process, less solution, the same procedure, solution. Good. That will have what? Na2CO3. Remember? Good. The constant elements here, the component elements this compound is made up of is what? We have sodium, we have carbon, and we have oxygen. Good. So how many sodium do we have here? We have 2. That will now be 2 multiplied by what? What is the atomic mass of sodium? This was the question. 23 plus what? Carbon. Carbon is how many here? Is 1. Good. That will be 1 multiplied by 12 plus. How many oxygen are we given? We are given 3 oxygen, right? Now 3 multiplied by 16. Good. So what do we have here? We are having 2 times 3 is what? 46. Plus 1 multiplied by 12 is what? 12. 3 multiplied by 6 is what? 48. Good. So now we are going to have these together. Wonderful. To get our final answer. So let's go. That's 46 plus 12. That is 50. This 50. This is 58. Good. 58 plus 48. This one is what? That is 98. 98 plus 8. That is what? 106. Good. So we have 106. Good. So that means that the molecular mass for sodium triosocarbonate 4 is 106. And I still remember something I told you. What is carbonate 4? Carbonate 6. I'm going to tell you how they are getting 4, how they are getting 6. Just a gradual process. I hope we learned today. Just simple calculation. But mind you, when you are asked, no units for relative molecular mass. RMN. So let me give you assignments. You are given assignments? Good. Calculate the relative molecular mass of the following compounds. Good. The first one I will have is, let me give you hydrogen, H2SO4. And we'll just give it 2. The second one is NaCl. So let me give you their atomic masses. Atomic masses, we have H is 1, S you're given 32, you have your O to be 16. Good. Then for the second one, you have your Na is 23, and you have your chlorine, which is what was 35.5. So kindly do the assignment and send the answer to the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the class. You can see chemistry is very, very simple. I told you, very simple. So we meet. Let's kindly subscribe, like, share, and follow my YouTube channel. I love you all. Thank you.